Hey y'all, long time no see. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. I am so stupid excited to be reviewing the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup. This is a broad spectrum SPF 50. I have the shades 310 Sun Beige and 330 Toffee. I used 310 today. You can see that on my face. I think it looks really good. It's a really good match for my spring, summer, darker color. I also got the Maybelline Lasting Fix. This is a setting spray with 16-hour matte finish. So this is more so like the Urban Decay All Nighter, not MAC Fix Plus. It's alcohol based. Keep that in mind. If you have dry skin, this will make it drier. And I'm so sorry about the sound effects that you're gonna hear in this video. It is storming outside, has been for hours, and we have to deal with it. I'm so sorry. But let me tell you about the Urban Cover. It says, experience the first full coverage makeup specifically formulated to protect your skin from harmful environmental aggressors. It's SPF 50, enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. It not only leaves a natural looking finish, but protects the skin day after day, and this is available in 16 shades. The only place I have been able to find this is Ulta online. Luckily, mine got here in just a couple days, but they do not have it in store yet, and no drugstores have it near me, not even Target. So be aware of that. So it's supposed to be full coverage, but lightweight and breathable, and I will absolutely agree with that. I even built this up, you guys, and it is so light, so airy. It feels beautiful on the skin. And then it says UVA and UVB coverage, antioxidants, and even skin tone and covers imperfections. So if you guys want to see how well this covers redness, rosacea, dark spots, imperfections, freckles, all the wonderfulness on our face, then let's go ahead and get into it. Definitely smells like sunscreen, which I would expect it to because it has SPF 50 in it. So definitely getting, I would say, light coverage. And it's thunderstorming out, so you guys are probably gonna hear that. We're gonna have some sound effects today. I am sorry about that, but I haven't filmed in so long. I finally got this in. I was so excited to talk to you guys, so we're doing it. So I'm just gonna use the sponge on the forehead because I don't really need a lot of coverage on my forehead. But it's really smooth, blends out really easily. So I'm liking all of this. Now on this side, we're gonna dot it on the face and use a brush. Like, this is very thin, like it's so smooth. Like the one that everybody is comparing this to, which is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I don't like it, actually. Surprisingly, I do not like it. It does not give me even medium coverage, honestly. So I really hope to like this one a lot better than that one. But everything is looking really good. Let's go ahead and we're gonna add some more. Oh, the thunder. So crazy. Like, it has been storming here all day. Literally all day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another layer, dot this around the face. Like, I love the consistency of this. The CC cream from It Cosmetics is way thicker than this. This is a very thin, really nice glidey formula. I really like it. So I'm gonna go over this with the brush. See if we can build up our coverage. I'm gonna take it pretty close under the eye because that's how I normally like to do my BB creams, CC creams with SPF in them. Oh yeah, this builds up really, really nicely. Ooh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. So here is what we're looking like. I'm just gonna go over it with a sponge. I don't have any extra product on it. I just want to make sure everything is smooth and blended into the skin as nicely as possible. Then if you want to do layers, it does not get cakey with layers. It doesn't accentuate pores. It's got a really, really beautiful finish. I'm so stupid excited about this. I just shaved yesterday, and it looks like I haven't shaved in a week. We're not gonna talk about that anymore. I'm Mexican, I'm hairy. I cannot help it, you guys. I cannot help it. All right, so here we are up close, and I really, really love this. It's definitely still a little bit tacky. It's a really good match. I did not run it all the way down the neck. You can see my chest here. And once we get concealer and all that jazz on, I think it's going to look really, really beautiful. Like, I am so much loving this right now. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, go off camera, finish up the face. I'm not going to do much. I really want to focus on this foundation and see if it lasts. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so really, really simple, easy makeup. Don't look at this eye. We tried out an eyeliner. Did not work out the way I planned, but the face looks beautiful. I did really, really simple, easy makeup. I used the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer mixed with a little bit of the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, nude sticks, sun-kissed bronzer, and for highlight I put the VDL Lumi Layer Primer on. If you guys seen that video, you know I flippin' love this. And brows, I threw brow gel because I don't give a crap. Mother Nature. Yeah, so anyway, this was also new. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. It's a setting spray with up to 16 hours wear matte finish. This is more of your Urban Decay all-nighter. It is not going to be a fixing spray like Fix Plus. But for, I believe this was $9. I mean, if it does what it says, then awesome. You won't have to pay so much for like Urban Decay all-nighter. But let me say this, all-nighter products like this, actual setting sprays, they're alcohol based. Whereas fixing sprays, which is what I like, they don't have alcohol in them. But some people need that alcohol to really keep that makeup on their face. I have normal skin, so normally wear isn't an issue, but I always wear a setting spray or a fixing spray, period. So that is why I didn't mind to put this over top. So this is what we are looking like, and I'll be back several hours from now. I have such high hopes for this. I think it looks gorgeous. I think you can wear it really naturally like this, and you could do a full face of glam in this. So I'm so excited for this, you guys. So I will see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so it has been 9.5 hours. Threw on some lip gloss. My hair is up out of my face. But you guys, this still looks beautiful. It did not settle into my pores. My redness is still covered. And a lot of times throughout the day, my redness will start peeking through. No. With this, it still looks beautiful, you guys. I'm so obsessed with this. I can't wait to do a full face with this as well. I did not set this makeup. There's no powder on my face, period. I didn't even set my under eyes. and this is what it looks like. I'm so sorry about the rain again. I know you guys can probably hear it and the thunder, but and the color, I know the color probably looks a little bit off, and it's because it's dark out and I use all natural lighting. So I would have kept this on longer, but you guys wouldn't have been able to see me very well. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, the only place that I know of right now to get it is online at Ulta, and of course Maybelline. But if you can find this in your stores soon, pick it up, you guys. I literally cannot stop looking at my monitor because this looks so beautiful still. Like, I cannot. It did set on its own. I did not have to set it at all. I did use this, but like I said, I will always use a setting spray or a fixing spray after I get done with my makeup. I never go without that. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow as a full face kind of glam look, and I'll let you guys know how it wears because I won't put this on top. I'll do like Fix Plus, just, you know, fixing spray. But yeah, I am so excited about this. I have been waiting and I love it. Hands down, I recommend this one over the It Cosmetics CC Cream. Like I said earlier, I never liked it. I'd wear it every now and again, but the coverage is not the same. It's way thicker than this guy. This feels beautiful and light and breathable on the face, even built up, you guys. It feels so good. It feels like nothing. It feels like you've put a moisturizer on your face. Even if you have oily skin, set this and you will be good to go. I'm so serious. This feels beautiful. My camera rudely cut off. But yes, I highly recommend this, you guys. Go ahead, pick it up when you can grab it, when you can see it in store. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.